there is Burberry sale happening right now just before Black Friday. Please guys, stay with me. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today I want to talk about Burberry sale. I love buying Burberry on sale, first and most because you are saving major money. Secondly, because I'm discovering that Burberry not just about trench coats and scarves. They have so many different items and the quality is actually quite high. And today I want to share with you my Burberry purchases, and hopefully maybe you will like something, or maybe you will think of Burberry a little bit different than just a classic English trench coat. So I'm going to start right away with unboxing. I'm not going to beat around the bushes, and the packaging is superb. Just want to come a little bit closer to the camera and show you the packaging. And each year they come with a different packaging, and also normally they include obviously the receipt, and then they include the Burberry card if you want to write a message for somebody. So it's obviously very nice touch. So let's just start doing unboxing. And this is true unboxing. It's I received these items about 4 days ago, and obviously sorry guys, I didn't have a time, but and that's how it's packaged. Just once again come closer to the camera. Nice packaging, like soap paper, and then you have the Burberry logo. And I'm not sure what's the items, because I have lots of items that mostly I purchased for my husband and just little item for myself. And this is a polo shirt or t-shirt that I got for my husband. So that's the packaging, and that's the shirt. It's a classic shirt, you cannot go wrong. And obviously I will show you the hidden detail of the Burberry, and I love that this little detail is just not to your face. So if you are unbuttoned like that, so you have just a little bit of peekaboo of Burberry detailing, and it's very soft, kind of pastel, little bit of lime green, but it's not bright. It's very soft, and I love that usually Burberry, they're about these soft colors. So this is item number 1. I'm gonna have lots of boxes around me by the end of this video. So let's start with item number 2. And as I said guys, I just gonna do unboxing. I'm not gonna beat around the bushes. The second one, oh, I think this is really nice. And this is scarf, and I'm going to share with you all the prices at the end of the video, or maybe even I'm going to put it right there at the bottom of the screen. And this is obviously 100% merino wool. I think it's actually merino wool, and let me just check the content. So this is actually made in UK, and this is 100% cashmere. So made in UK and 100% cashmere. It's gorgeous, and it's very like thick and gorgeous scarf. And at the end it says Burberry, London, England. It's gorgeous, and it's 100% cashmere, and it can be worn obviously by men or a woman. So absolutely gorgeous scarf. So this is my item number 2. This is the next box. Another, wow, it's so full. Another gorgeous packaging. Oh. And here is the gorgeous sweater, and it's beautiful, kind of red orangey color. I love this bright color for winter. And this is actually a sweater that I got for myself, and there is a gorgeous detail on the elbow, on the sleeves, just a Burberry classic. So this item is made in China, and it's made of 100% merino wool. Okay, gorgeous color. And as you know, Many of the Burberry items are made in China, not everything made in UK or Italy. So, and this specific sweater is made in China, but gorgeous, gorgeous quality. Okay. And last packaging, I already started sliding. And the last packaging over here. And let me see what we have in this one. Another gorgeous packaging. And what we have over here is a hat. This hat, once again, made of wool, and it has a gorgeous logo over there. It's actually beautiful. It's raised and it has a little bit of sparkles. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So I don't know if I should do modeling for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna try to do modeling for you guys. When I saw on a web, they somehow wear this one up front models. So let me try. So something like that. Oh gosh, I hope I look okay. So that's what we have. And let me put on scarf. Okay, and there we go. Here's the scarf. And I say I'm really ready for winter right now. This is actually very, very soft and luxurious. Love it. So let me share with you prices, or more likely like discounts, what you are getting. And I have it right here on my cell phone. So the scarf, the original price was $500 and it was discounted to $300, and it's Canadian dollars. So the hat was original price $490 Canadian dollars, and it was discounted to $250. Awesome discount. The polo shirts that I got for my husband, let me actually grab it. Okay, coming back. So the polo shirt that I got for my husband, this polo shirt, I hope I can hold it like that. So the polo shirt was 330 Canadian dollars, and I got it for $250. Once again, great discount. And the sweater, they call it winter check detail merino wool sweater. The original price was $450, and I got it for $270. So discount is fantastic. There was a major change when I was purchasing a year ago items from Burberry. The price was displayed on Burberry website in Canadian dollars, pretty much was including everything, the duty, the taxes, etc. This time when I did check out, they added 13% taxes, which is Ontario taxes that we have. I mean, it's okay, it's fair, but previously it was whatever was the price showing on the website, it was actually the final price that I was paying, at least last year. So this year was a little bit different. I was unobligated to pay 13% extra, which is Canadian taxes. Not much we can do about the taxes, I would say, but I can see that the items are great quality. This one made in UK. I did believe this one is made in Italy. This one is made in China, and this one, did I check where it's made? Let me just check. I'm assuming it's also made in China because it's polo shirts, but we shall see. Just give me a second. This one is made in Thailand. So like you can see, they're outsourcing the factory all around the world. So this is the Thailand, this is made in China, this is made in England, and this one is made in Italy, I believe. So this is my Burberry haul. The sale is still going on at Burberry. If you're interested in some Burberry items, definitely check. And I can tell you with 100% guarantees that returns are very, very easy. If you don't like something, just keep the original packaging. So put everything back to your original packaging, print the label, and send it back. So, and usually there was no any issue or anything happening. Keep in mind also what is the export margin of the money you have in your country. So let's say in Canada we have $2,000. So if you send it back something, try to send in different, I would say, invoices, so it's not exceed like certain amount of dollars, because sometimes it could stuck on custom, and then you have to explain yourself that it's actually you're not exporting something, you're trying to return items. But otherwise it's usually very, very easy, and that's about it. So this is my purchases from Burberry. I hope, guys, that you enjoyed this video, and I definitely want to see you again on my channel. And I guess until our next meeting, bye bye.